take this. Today's the day we leave Fort Lauderdale. We're on our way to the Bahamas. We had a little bit of an emergency this morning. I had to fix the freezer because we took out some cooler plates and we realised that they actually should be connected. So we had the coolants being sprayed into the freezer. So that delayed us for a little bit, but then we missed a huge downpour. And now we're just prepping. Mike's just putting on the VHF. Say hi, Mike.
Hi, Mike.
Jules is doing his log. And now he's drawing something. That's it. Man overboard he's doing. Yeah, we fixed the starboard engine yesterday, which was good. We had the heads. We had a broken valve spring, and we had a valve that was pitted and corroded and wasn't very good. So we sent the heads off, and yesterday Jules and I reassembled the heads. We did it in tandem. I did it in the morning, and then Jules dropped in the afternoon, and then he spent all night last night fixing up all the lighting, make sure everything's ready for us, our departure this morning. We were planning on leaving at 4:30, but because of the issue with the freezer, we decided to fix that issue first before we set off and not just rush off, which was good really, because we had a huge downpour. Yeah, we're all ready now, we're all prepped. Engines are running beautifully, they've been ticking over for the last 10 minutes. And we're setting sail for the Bahamas. So we've got a day of sailing. Well, not sailing because we ain't got a mast. Well, we have got a mast, but we haven't got any sails. There's the mast. So, yeah, ready for the off, and yeah, let's do this! I've just taken the rubbish round, dumped everything out of the dinghy. So I'm just waiting for these two now to come around the heads, which shouldn't be too long, and then we'll catch up with them. Mikey wants me to get the boat in action. Still tired, man, still tired. It's a beautiful morning though. This is the fueling station. So just around here is the roll bar, and also the police station, the water police, and the rubbish tip. There's the cops coming out. Yeah, he checked me out before I set off. Make sure I put my stern light on. Where are these boys? Not even round the heads yet. Gee whiz. I reckon they must have had trouble pulling the anchor. I just jumped on board with these guys. Ding it off, and we're going to bring it up on the davits in a bit. We don't need the fenders out now, do we? No. I'm going to put them away.
Okay, let's put a date on you getting in the water.
Well, we can, but I think it's going to be, what is it now? October, November, so November, December, January, February. Feb, I reckon. Oh, that's with the mast on and everything.
airplane mode.
Just past the ship. There's Miami over there. Fort Lauderdale's directly behind us. Looking good. Both engines buzzing away now at 8.4 knots. We had 9 point something before.
Yeah, we were at 9.4 at one point.
Come on! Little fella. Bring her in. Oh, it is little. Yeah, I can see it. Yeah. What is it, you reckon? Wow, that's a baby tuna, eh?
Yes. Oh my god, look at it. Have a look at its scales. It looks like these pectoral fins and stuff. It looks a bit tunerish, don't it?
Yeah. There's lovely colours. Everybody. There we go.
Oh man. Okay, bud. There you go. Better chance there than in our frying pan.
First nautical voyage in the Bahamas. It's been quite good. I've slept quite a lot. So 10, probably 15, 20k out, 20 nautical miles. Ooh-wee! Need a shave. Need a shower, man. It rained the other night, like really heavy rain. I went out on the deck with a bar of soap and just had my first wash in about 10 days. Yeah, I've been in the engine bay all day, so like putting the engine together, and it was covered in oil, and I was just, I was hot, sweaty, been in the engine bay for like 5-6 hours, and just like had enough. The boys came back and I was just like, fucking out of here. So a very well earned shower. It was definitely something I needed. So anyway, got all the oil off. Like the thought of getting in that engine bay right now, just like nah. We've had some fun, we've had some laughs, we got the fishing lines out, caught fish. It's been an epic day. Absolutely epic. Wobbly on the feet. There you go. So yeah, we've had a fantastic day. Crazy day. It's just been this all day. Sailing, nice flat waters. There's Jules that I like. Bahamas, we're almost there. We've got about 2 hours to go before we hit land. Everyone's really excited. We're talking about all the food that we're going to eat when we get there. So I think Jules wants conch, Mike wants a burger, and I don't know what I want actually. I might just maybe a pizza. Definitely something special. Really, really special day. Just getting out here and relaxing and taking it easy for a day and resting my leg. I damaged my leg carrying rocks up and down the garden before I got out here, and it's been the twinge has been driving me mad a little bit, and being on a boat's aggravated a little as well. But today I've just been like snoozing and resting my leg and taking it easy, and we've been eating good food. We've all had pop up making some food. Had a couple of beers as well, which has been nice. But yeah, it's just been like, we set off at 7:40 this morning when we left the headlands. And it's now coming up for 7 o'clock, so it's probably like, yeah, so it's 12 hours. By the time we get in, it'll be 12 hours of sailing, well, motoring across that strait. But anyway, all good. See you soon. Bye. So we made it. We're at where are we? We're at the Grand Bahamas Yacht Club. We've just got out of the storm. We had to rescue Mike this morning, who decided to drop somebody off on shore, and yeah, he got stuck out in the blow, and we had to come pick him up. He couldn't get back to the boat, so we had to get the cat to go and do a man overboard scenario. Pick him up in his dinghy and then shoot off into here. It's too blowy out there. It's like really, really rough. So yeah, it's very nice. Very very nice. It's like colonial sort of housing.
A verandery.
Nice little holiday, anyway. So we've got to go into border control now. Customs, which is this little hut over here. Cute little hut, and they've given us this berthing. We got in, no problem at all. It's really nice, really well sheltered here. So if you ever do get stuck out in the storm, like we did, this is the place to be. Very nice. Manicured gardens. Must be the governor's house. Beautiful. There's our customs guys here waiting for us now. Customs and immigration. The Grand Bahama Yacht Club. There you go. I was right. Must is in there, I thought, way out here. It's a really nice tiny little office. Reminds me of like a bus stand office.
Very beautiful.
Nice. Where is apparently there's a hurricane which is developing here just off North Florida right now. So I think this is the tail end of it. It's way down south. We slipped anchor last night. Luckily enough, I woke up and alerted Mike, and we sort of like re-anchored, and everything was fine. And then the winds have started picking up now, and the customs offices were here on the yacht. So we made a phone call this morning, and they said that they had spaces here, and it was like about $1.80 per foot per day, which is $80 a day. So we get shore power, electric. I'm hoping that they've got like hot showers or something. So $80 a day we thought, yeah, so we're here in the black half now because the weather is picking up out there. Like getting it, I wish I got it on camera. I must remember to sort of, when things get really bad, I must remember to stick the camera on because they're the key points of this voyage, I guess, is like capturing not just the good, happy moments, but also those moments when we're tested and how we may be interested to watch them back and see how we deal with these little tests that we get. The wave and the winds and the driving rain were dead set against us, so yeah, we slowly got worked our way in here, but yeah, it's pretty good. It's protected, well protected, and very friendly. Lots of space here. Yeah, it's still morning. I don't know what time, it's maybe 10 o'clock or something. I've got 1.5 coffees and a bowl of cereal, and that's it. Oh, what have we got? Like 2.5 hours to get there before nightfall?
Yeah, and we don't know if our lake's going to be there, so we may have to anchor off anyway.
Yeah, so let's...
We might just anchor off anyway. So, what's that thing? Look over to your port side, boss. Little beach there. Bahamas blue.
So we're leaving Grand Bahama Yacht Club now, and we're going to set off for Bradford. So we're going to get Cameron Yacht Club, Grand Bahama Yacht Club, sorry, and hello to the ocean. Believe it or not, this ocean is only about 6 foot below our keel at the moment. So it's at 2 meters below our keel, and you can see the water. This is Freeport, you can see the oil rigs. That's what we're turning into, Freeport. Doing 4 knots because these two are fishing. Pretending to fish. We got a head. Slap on the bottom. Slap on the old botty. Fish on! Fish on! That's it. Get it in before the old sharky gets it. Nothing? Sounded good. What's up, boss dog? How are you? Good.
This is our security expert.
Our security guy. How you doing?
Bio scan on you. You're okay.
What's your name?
Kevin.
Kevin. Say hello to your mum and dad, Kevin. We are at Bradford's. Man, it's been crazy 2 days of weather. You've got like 25-30 knots of like storm kicking in. And you can just, I don't know if you can hear it now, but if I turn it there, you'll probably hear that. But yeah, it's been like crazy stormy weather.